Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how to use check activity. So before using check activity, I will go to the website where we are using these check examples, right? So here we have a couple of checkbox examples. Like here, if I click on this checkbox that it is checked, if I again click here, then it is unchecked. So in this way, you can see all the checkboxes are working properly over here, right? So suppose we are doing UiPath automation, and if we have such scenarios, we have to just check or uncheck check boxes, then we can use check activity. So for that, in activities panel, just write here check. So here you will find some multiple options like check, like say this is my recent activity check, and computer vision check false, check true. So under control options, you will find check activity. Suppose it is if it is not expanded, just click here, it will expand automatically, right? Then just click it here on the drag it into the main, right? So here we have a sequence, and under this we have a check activity. So if you'll click here in check activity, and if you'll go to the properties panel, then you will find here some generic properties like continuous on or run delay after delay before. These are the very generic things if you are working on the UI path. So most important thing we have here under options, we have action, and in action, if you will just see this action panel, then if you will go to the right hand side, then you will find there we have multiple options like check, uncheck, and toggle. So one by one we will just use these options, right? So indicate on the screen. So just click here, and I'm just going to click here in this particular checkbox and just check whether the selector is okay, is not. Yeah, it's okay. So once I clicked on this, so my selectors is okay, I think. Yeah, it's okay. So by default in action panel, we have three options like check, uncheck, and toggle. Automatic by default is check is activated, right? It is automatically selected. And I will just resize this window. Okay. If I'll run these activities, it's not, yeah, it's still running. So you can see that it has just checked this particular checkbox, right? Because we have used check activities. And suppose it is already checked, right? And if I'll use again this activity, then it will do nothing because it is automatically checked and we are using check activity, right? So after that, we will use uncheck activity. Right now this check activity is checked and I'm using uncheck activities. Not uncheck activity, but uncheck option, right? So you have seen that, and if it is if you will go to the action, so you will see that right now uncheck is activity is okay. I will just expand it, and if I'll hover my mouse here, then you can see that right now uncheck is activated here in action panel, right? And if I will run it again, it is already unchecked, right? But I have used uncheck activity again, uncheck option again, so that did nothing. And last options we have toggle option. So this is the most important options. Let's suppose this because we have we are just checking this particular checkbox. Currently it is unchecked, and if I will use toggle activity, then what it will does, it will check it. Again I will run toggle activities, toggle option, then it will uncheck it. Again I will run it, then it will check it. It means if we are using toggle activity, if the checkbox is already checked, then it will uncheck it. If it is already unchecked, then it will check it. So in this way toggle activities work. So we have seen here check activity, uncheck activity, and toggle activities. So this is a very small activity, check activities, right? So you can use this activity if you have multiple check boxes in automation and you will have to check or uncheck it, or you can use toggle as well. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.